As you can see here, when I go to turn my headlights on, only one headlight comes on. Well, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Obviously, the first step here is to pop open the hood. If you don't know how to do that, this is not a video for you. Now, all you're going to need for this is a 9006 headlight and a 10mm socket with a nice long extension. We're replacing the driver's side one, but obviously it would be the same for the passenger. All you're going to do is unbolt this 10mm bolt right here, just like this, and that 10mm bolt right down there, just like this. And obviously on the passenger side, be the same thing, that and that. Once you got those two bolts out, all you have to do is just pull the assembly away, and then right on the back here are your three bulb spots. High beam, low beam, and the turn signal, which is over here. We're replacing the high beam, so it's hard to see, but all you have to do is take this, twist it out like that. There's the old bulb. You can see it's all corroded. Kind of pull away at these clips here until you can dislodge the old bulb. Now pull out your new bulb. Do not touch the glass envelope. Oils from your hands on this is not a good idea. Then take this, as you can see, plug it right back in, push it in nice and good. Whoops. Now we'll just test it, make sure it works. Perfect. And then all you do is put it back in here, find the way it lines up. It'll line up just like this. Twist it down like that. Then you just realign the two screw holes that you unscrewed back in. Not quite like that. Just like so. And the top one will be aligned, so that way you can go and put your screw in there. And then for the bottom one, you are going to have to just kind of do some guesswork. But if you can just place that on there and then kind of just guide it down in there, tighten your ratchet. Should fall right into place, and then you just tighten those back up. Perfect. That one's stripped, so it's just going to be like that. It may take a minute to realign your bolts, but when that's done, we'll go ahead and move the camera back, just like so. Take the old bulb out of here, set that on the ground, shut the hood, and now when we turn the headlights on, hey, we have some light. Awesome, folks. We can actually see at night now. This is a 2000 SL1, however, this should be similar for pretty much all of these Saturns. So yeah, let there be light, and now we can actually see at night. Isaac24.com.